U.S. Judge halts Trump's mass firings at Consumer Bureau. A sweeping attempt by the Trump administration to downsize the U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has been met with legal resistance as a federal judge temporarily blocked the mass terminations and raised grave concerns about potential violations of court ordered conditions on dismissals. The controversy erupted on Thursday afternoon when between 1,400 and 1,500 CFPB employees representing up to 90% of the agency's workforce were abruptly terminated. The dismissal were carried out despite a prior appeals court ruling mandating that any such layoffs must follow a particularized assessment of necessity and due process. By Friday morning, U.S. District Judge Amy Berman Jackson issued an emergency ruling halting the firing, citing deep concern that the administration had acted in defense of judicial authority. The judge further ordered that employees retain access to internal computer system, countermanding leadership instruction, including in Thursday's termination notices. A witness statement filed Friday morning accused members of the administration, including Gavin Kilger, a figure linked to Musk's co-called Department of Government Efficiency, that is DOGE, of flouting court restriction. The statement further alleged that Kilger forced staff into 36-hour shifts without breaks and subjected them to verbal abuse. The Office of Personnel Management, that is OPM, where Kilger is employed, vehemently denied the charges, branding them as an outright lie and asserting that Kilger played no role in the CFPB workforce cuts. An OPM spokesperson said the accusation were part of a broader attempt to undermine DOGE's mission to enhance bureaucratic efficiency. In response, Mark Paoletta, the CFBP's chief legal officer, submitted a sworn affidavit claiming that the agency had adhered to the court's directive and conducted a thorough analysis of its operational needs. According to Paoletta, the review concluded that the CFBP's staffing level far exceeded its statutory mandates and available resources. However, the declaration by Jennifer Bennett, an attorney of a union representing CFBP employees, contradicted that narrative. Bennett asserted that entire department, including those responsible for supervision, consumer complaints, and military service member affairs, were left with either no staff or a single remaining employee. Where it stands now, a pause, not a resolution. During Friday's emergency hearing, Judge Jackson voiced skepticism over the administration complaints with prior legal order. I am deeply concerned, given the scope and speed of the agency's action, about whether the agency is now in compliance with the preliminary